Want to know how to debug in Cursor AI? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, you can just simply open up Cursor AI in order to run a code. So you can just simply type in a code right here. So I have a random code that I have typed in. So in order to run or debug your code, right above you should be seeing where's navigation bar. So right here, you should simply select run right here and then select start debugging. So once after that, make sure you have a correct extension as well, and make sure you have it saved. So once that is on, your terminal should open up, or you can just simply run through your terminal as well according to your language, and it should show output right here. And that's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.